It's right now 6 a.m. in the morning and Ben's still sleeping. I've been awake for the last 3 hours. I couldn't sleep at all. So I thought I might as well get something to eat and head to the... which way is it? I think it's this way. Fushi Inari Shrine. And see it when it's not crowded. Oh wow, look. Okay. Well, okay, I guess that's it. First stop of the day. Fushimi Inari Shrine. Check. Actually, first stop of Kyoto. Feeling a bit queasy now, so we're gonna head down the mountain and find Ben and get some breakfast. Yeah! Hello!
Is that a video? Hi.
Yeah, this video.
It's such a lovely place.
Ben, you like this place?
Yeah, I do.
You like the greens?
It's so green.
Yes.
And I'm all about green.
You're all about the greens. Ben's all about the greens. Yeah, it is really nice. We are here in Arashiyama Bamboo Grove and it's totally not crowded at all. But it was nice. Ben liked the greens and I think we're going to be heading out now. Okay. Is trying to figure out what type of bees these are.
I think they're stopped. I could try, but they're not stopping. Try.
You can try and stop them with your bare hands.
I think they're probably apis. It's probably a honey. But I can't tell. I'm not. I can't tell. In fly, I'm really not good.
Really?
You wanna try? It looks like a fish cake, but there's probably no fish in it since it's a tofu burger. A fish tofu. So I'm wondering whether this is a fish tofu or actual like proper vegetarian. It could be just the way they make it makes me think of fish tofu, but it could actually be just tofu. But it's quite decent. I'm ready to find out what Sakura ice cream tastes like. Very delicate flavor. Very nice.
So what does it taste like?
Like, it tastes like not strawberry, but still pink. Okay, as in like, I don't know how to compare it to, but it's nice.
So you're saying it tastes like Sakura lah?
Yes, exactly. It tastes like Sakura. It's good. It tastes like how like, it tastes like a walk through a park during cherry blossom season.
I'm glad that the ice cream means so much to you.
It's a good flavor. You guys should try it when you come here during cherry blossom season in Japan.
We will. We made yet another pit stop. This time at Musubi Cafe. Ben couldn't resist. So
You order your dessert?
we're having the dessert after dessert. No, Ben is having a dessert after dessert. I'm having it. But it's a pretty neat place. Check it out. There's lots of vegetarian food here. Seems to be a thing in Kyoto. It's extremely tempting. Strawberry exhaustion parfait. How do you call it?
Just parfait.
Hot sakura water condensed milk.
Wow,
Look at.
doesn't that sound so good? Wow.
Sounds good, Ben.
Wow, so
We will
good.
resist. 950 yen.
It's very tempting.
We are now on Toge's Tokyo Bridge, which means moonshine, crossing bridge. Obviously just Google that. Moon crossing bridge. Now we have a pretty nice view from here. And we are now going to see some
Monkeys!
monkeys. So interesting. He just calls them and then they all come for feeding time. So we're just waiting for them to start feeding.
Koi print. We cannot stay any longer. There's too much food. It's like Temptation Street or something.
And with that, we are exiting Arashimaya district.
Even as I walk through the valleys of temptation.
Well done, Ben. You have actually held up quite well.